Good morning, everybody. It's Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is August the 29th, 2024, and today I want to talk about wheat, in particular the Chicago wheat futures. And we'll look at the chart here. This is the monthly chart we'll look at first, and we can see how the price is trading below a declining purple declining 200-month moving average, and we are below the 50-month moving average. We can see this rally back in April and May got rejected at that green 50-month moving average. And there's a saying in the industry there on the daily time frame in particular is nothing good is expected to happen below a declining 200-day moving average. Now, if we apply that same principle to the monthly chart, we can say that nothing good is expected below a 200-month moving average. Well, downtrends do come to an end, but this one looks like it could be just getting started. But there's a lot of supply to work through, and perhaps this previous level of resistance will bring in buyers. And we're finding some support here the last 2 months, so maybe that's happening right now. But interesting, let's take a look at some fractals here. This is an interesting setup for me. So it's been a while since price has been consolidating below a declining 200-month moving average. I'm going to turn on my annotations here now. So we look at this fractal here that's being formed. We can see how the price got above the 200-month moving average, had quite a significant rally, lower down, and now we're testing, we're below that 200-month moving average. Well, the last time a similar fractal was performed that I can tell was back in about 1996, 97, and we can see here the price found support in 94, 95 from the 50-month moving average, broke above the 200-month, and pulled back down below, and appears to be a similar fractal being formed right now. Now, back then in 1997, we saw a 30% drop in the price of wheat. Now, if that happens again this time, we're going from 546, what it's trading at right now. So what's that, a third of that, 160? It's down to the 380 mark. So that's down here testing these previous lows from 2016. Not predicting this is going to happen, but it's something you want to be aware of, how these fractals often repeat themselves, and when downtrends begin, they're very difficult to overcome. The weekly chart, again, it's a little busier, and we're finding some support here from this previous supply level here. We're seeing some buyers are stepping in around at 526, trading at 546 today. So perhaps we can see a rally in the price in the short term. I happen to think we will see one, but that remains to be seen. The daily chart here is, again, always interesting to me. The price appears to be wanting to test this declining 50-day moving average. Now, there's a saying in the industry, and Brian Shannon's great at saying this, is the stock or the commodity is guilty until proven innocent, below a declining 50-day moving average. So right now we're below that declining 50-day moving average. So, there's maybe reasons to be hopeful with this recent rally. However, the trend is still in the downtrend, and just very low conviction that we're going to see rising prices until we're above that level. I'm going to turn on my annotations here again. You're going to see a little busier with a few more lines here. You can see this volume weighted average price from the July high is sitting at 541, and we're trading above that level right now. We get the yellow VWAP from June 24 as a contract change again, and that's at 553. So perhaps we see a rally up, maybe even get above that green 50-day moving average and test that 550, 555 region, maybe as high as 560 before sellers start selling again. Every time we break one of these anchored VWAPs, the shorts are starting to lose money from that point in time. So there will be some short covering every time we break one of these VWAPs. Now, if we can get above the yellow one and trade above that 560, making new highs, then maybe we see another rally up to that 577, 580 level. Maybe we even test that 200-day moving average at 580, 590. So keep an eye on this. There's signs of hope, but there is very few reasons to be optimistic of a rally in the price right now. But we want to keep monitoring this. Be aware of, if we make lower lows, that we have, in that fractal idea plays out, that we have significant lower prices in the future. Not a prediction, but things to keep in mind. My name is Trent Klarenbach. It's sunny in Saskatoon. Life is good.